Hi again. This is a problem on Doppler shift or Doppler effect. So the question is, while you're driving your car on the highway at speed of 20, so let's say you are traveling to the right, okay, a speed of 20. A police car is moving behind you at speed of 40, so that's the police car with the siren here at speed of 40. Now, the police car siren produces a sound. So this means the police car is the source because it's sending the sound signals from the siren. And the frequency of that sound signal is 500 hertz. Speed of sound, as we already know, it's around 340 meters per second. The question is, what frequency are you going to receive? So the formula is frequency of that you are going to receive. It's frequency of the source multiplied by v plus speed of the observer or velocity of the observer, which is u in that case, over v minus v source. That's the formula. Now, the question is, what are the signs that we have to use here? What are the signs that we have to use? The convention says that for V0, for the observer, if the observer is moving towards the source, then V0 is positive. Here, the observer is moving away, as you can see, it's moving away from the police car, so V0 is negative. In that case, we substitute it as minus 20 meters per second. That's number one. Regarding the police car, or the source in that case, if the source is approaching, again, is approaching the observer, also V source will be positive. So in that case, since the police car is approaching the observer, then V source is going to be positive. It's going to be positive. Now we use the equation and we substitute the values. So F is equal 500 multiplied by 340 speed of sound. And by the way, since the car is approaching the observer at a higher speed, then the frequency that you will receive will be bigger than the original. So for sure the last choice will be wrong. Then we are left only with the three choices. So we continue here. It's 340 plus V of the observer, it's minus 20. Again, why minus 20? Because the observer is moving away from the source. When the observer is moving away from the source, then the velocity is negative. That's the convention. Over 340 minus, now why the source is positive? Because the source is approaching. So whenever we have approaching, it's positive. Whenever we have moving away, it's negative. So we have minus plus 40. So F will be 500. 340 minus 20, that's 320. 340 minus 40, that's 300. So we have 500 multiplied by 320 divided by 300, and that's what we'll get, 533, around 533 hertz. Okay, so that's the final answer, which is A. So that's the formula, a universal formula. And again, we write that approaching, to keep that in mind, approaching means the speed, whether it was for source or observer, it's gonna be positive, use it as positive. And moving away, then V will be negative, whether you were using source or observer. Thank you for watching.